Well, WordPress 3.3 is now out, and I want to give you a quick tour of all the best features that it's got. This is primarily an update for user interface changes, and there's a lot of them. So we'll start with this one right here, the welcome page. It'll tell you what's been updated, what's new in WordPress, and that goes through the list here. You get to the bottom and you'll be able to go to your dashboard, or you could go straight to your dashboard from this, the new flyout menus. So instead of the menus dropping down and making way for all the sub-menu items, they actually fly out to the right now. You can also go to the dashboard right from here, as I said. And by the way, if you want to get back to that About page, it will always be available from up here, which is the new toolbar. And from here, you can get to new things. You want to create a new post, add new media, and so forth. Tells you if you've got comments, tells you if there are updates for themes, plugins, and so on. And of course, has your name over at the side here with your profile and so on. Also new is the help screen. Not that the idea of a help screen is new, but the way it's structured. Look at this. It's now tabbed in this way. So instead of having a whole lot of information showing, they now have more information, but broken down into pieces. Makes it a much more efficient system. And again, you just drop it back there right beside screen options. All right, something very, very important that's new here. If we go to add a new post, watch what happens. Look at my upload insert menu. Totally different. There is now just one icon. This used to confuse people a bit. They weren't sure which one to click on. Now you don't have to think about it at all. You just click it. And not only do you put any type of file in here, you can also drag and drop it from your desktop. You can still use your select files, of course, and that'll work just fine, but you can drag and drop. And hopefully you're not going to have the problems you did before, because this doesn't run solely on Flash. It uses primarily HTML5, so it shouldn't give you browser trouble like it sometimes did before. So those are some of the main new features. One other one that I want to show you quickly. When there is a new feature now, for the first time when it opens up, you'll see these pointers. When you mouse over something, it'll point at it, and then you just hit dismiss if you don't want to see it anymore. But this will quickly tell you a little bit about any new features that show up in WordPress. So there you have it, the latest from WordPress 3.3.